Well, the kids want to snow, but only ice. You guys excited?
Yeah!
Well, come out real quick.
But it's cold!
Come on! No, not too big. Wow, the sleet being caught on here, it's kind of neat looking. Now that is a neat optical illusion. Hopefully it shows up a camera. It looks like something from the Matrix. Well, grab a handful. Oh, don't brush it off. Put it in your hand.
What?
Put it in your hand.
I'll put it in my hand.
Here, come here.
Put it in my hand.
Here. Stick your hand over here.
It's
Right here. Ready?
It's like tiny bits of salt. I want some salt. Hey! I'm gonna go get Mom. What is that?
You guys hope we get a lot?
Yeah.
Would you rather have snow than sleet? Huh? Would you rather have snow than this?
Here, give me your hands.
I gave my handful of sleet.
There's some rain mixed in with it. You can feel it.
Yeah, it's probably just... No, I think it's just melting real fast.
Yeah, it's melting on my hand.
No, I don't know. It might... Yeah, it's melting.
Yeah, it's turning 32 out. It's not really cold enough.
It's turning into rain. Yeah, I was doing my hand up like that, and I took one and it melted.
It's ice. Yeah, it's ice. Oh, it's death.
It's on.
Is it cold?
Nope.
Kind of looks like big salt pebbles, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Looks like salt. Weird.
Yeah.
Some of them are great big pieces. Look at that one. That's a big one there.
See what I mean?
Don't eat it.
Why?
This is the first snow or sleet, whatever you want to call it up in here.
I want to eat it.
Yes, it is. They haven't had a big snow yet.
Yeah, it's not really accumulating.
It's still the frosting. It's still
Are you recording?
Whoa! Whoa! I can't even see you. So much snow.
Not much. We need more. A lot more.
Oh yeah, a lot more.
We need more snow. Good.
We need to get colder. It's too warm.
So quiet when it's like this, though.
I know.
Whoa! I pulled it.
No wind.